In the event that you adore the Golf GTI however long for more power, look at the Golf R. It, as well, is a 10 best cars champ for 2018. The R is a genuine execution auto with a 292 horsepower turbo 2.0-liter 4 all-wheel drive, a game suspension, 18-inch wheels, and a 6-speed manual. A 6-speed programmed with dispatch control is discretionary. In our testing, the program was speedier to 60 miles per hour than the manual by 0.7 seconds, yet not as locks in. Standard highlights incorporate satellite radio, warm seats, route, and Bluetooth. The new Golf R is more capable than any other time in recent memory and shows how rapidly innovation is creating. At 213 kilowatts, 290 horsepower, with a DSG double grasp transmission, it joins a genuine energy for motorsports with lively gear points of interest and noteworthy execution.